The first thing you'll want to do when you receive your Atom Pro is to charge the case. After charging the charging case, it will support up to 3 additional wireless charging cycles for the Audien Atom Pro. To charge the case, take the Lightning cable and plug the micro USB side into the charging case. Then, take the USB side of the Lightning cable and plug it into the 2-prong wall transformer. Then, plug that into the wall. If you look into the charging case, you will see a hollow section within each of the charging ports. This is where the removal wire will go when the devices are inserted into the charging case. Lower your Atom Pro into the charging case with the removal wire going into the hollow section. The Atom Pro will magnetically click into place, and there will be a blinking red light to indicate the unit is charging. The red light will turn into a solid green light when charging is complete. It should take between 4 to 6 hours for the units to fully charge. The Audien Atom Pro does not have an on-off switch. The device will automatically power off and begin charging when placed into the charging case. The Audien Atom Pro must always be returned to the charging case when not in use. Otherwise, the device will remain on and drain the battery. Even if the charging case runs out of battery, inserting your Atom Pros into the case will turn off the units as long as they magnetically connect.